Tools are the heartbeat of a handyman's craft, indispensable instruments that transform a mere job into a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Whether it's the humble wrench, the versatile power drill, or the precision of a level, tools are the essence of a handyman's trade. That's why today, we've made a list of 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Let's jump in. This RAK magnetic pickup tool is a must-have addition to any handyman's toolbox. Its powerful magnetic grip allows you to easily retrieve nuts, bolts, nails, screws, and other metal items that may have fallen or rolled out of reach in tight spaces. No more scraping your knuckles or risking injury trying to blindly feel around for that lost part. This telescoping magnetic grabber extends a full 22 inches to reach around obstacles and into cramped areas like under appliances or behind furniture. The flexible 360-degree bendable neck maneuvers into virtually any nook or cranny. The strong magnetic base also allows for convenient hands-free use when placed against metal surfaces. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, HVAC work, home improvement projects, or maintenance in challenging spaces, this pickup tool will save you significant time and frustration. Next up, BriefPap Universal Socket Tool. This socket can self-adjust to fit nuts, bolts, hooks, and other fasteners from 1/4 to 3/4 inch and 7 to 19 millimeter. That means you only need one socket that can tighten or loosen just about any fastener. The versatility of this universal socket makes it perfect for home repairs, construction jobs, plumbing work, car repairs, and all kinds of DIY projects. No more fumbling with multiple size sockets. This one socket set can help speed up projects and repairs around the house. Its hex-shaped interior adjusts to fit whatever you need to tighten or loosen. This set can handle over 125 foot-pounds of torque, more than enough for most household tasks. The set also includes 20 popular screwdriver bits and a power drill adapter. Now your power drill can act like a screwdriver or socket wrench all in one. The included bits, like Phillips, slotted, hex, star, and Torx, cover most screw driving jobs. No more changing bits constantly. This Cleanse razor blade scraper is a must-have tool for any handyman. Its sturdy handle provides a solid grip, so you can scrape with confidence and control. This scraper won't scratch surfaces, making it safe to use on glass cooktops, ceramic tile, windows, and more. Whether you're removing old caulk, sticker residue, or burnt-on grime, this razor scraper makes the job easy. The incredibly sharp blades fit perfectly into the scraper head and remove material quickly and smoothly. No more struggling with dull putty knives or awkward scrapers. The Cleanse razor scraper comes with 5 replacement blades, plus an additional 10 blades in a separate box. This ensures you'll always have a fresh, sharp edge, ready for whatever scraping task is at hand. The blades are universal, fitting most standard razor scraper handles. Meet the Wallet Ninja Multi-Tool card packs a whopping 18 handy tools into a slim credit card-sized package. This lightweight multi-tool is perfect for handymen on the go who need portable tools that can tackle bolt tightening, beer opening, and anything in between. Every handyman will love keeping this slim tool tucked away in a back pocket or wallet, ready to whip out whenever a quick tool is needed. The versatility of this credit card tool is impressive. It includes a bottle opener, box opener, 3 sizes of hex wrenches, flat and Phillips head screwdrivers, nail puller, fruit peeler, smartphone stand, and more. Whether you need to tighten a loose cabinet knob, open up an unexpected package, or crack open a cold one after a long work day, this multi-tool card can handle it with ease. This Knipex Cobra water pump pliers are a must-have for any handyman's toolkit. As one of the most versatile plier tools available, these innovative grippers make tough jobs a cinch. Their unique push-button adjustment system and ergonomic handles make them comfortable and easy to wield for extended periods. Unlike traditional slip-joint pliers, the Cobra design utilizes a simple press of your thumb to slide the adjustment button and instantly fit any size pipe, bolt, or nut. This smooth one-handed operation allows handymen to change positions or gripping width without ever taking their eyes off the task at hand. The extra-wide jaws and legal-for-life guarantee ensure the durable steel teeth maintain a tenacious bite on pipes and hardware without stripping. The Milwaukee M12 Copper tubing cutter is a handy tool designed for efficient and precise cutting of copper tubing. Operating at a high performance of 500 revolutions per minute, this cordless cutter ensures swift and accurate cuts, completing the task in seconds. The patent-pending cutting mechanism automatically adjusts the diameter, providing versatility in cutting different sizes of copper tubing. Users praise its cutting speed, making it up to 10 times faster than conventional cutters. Additionally, the tool offers up to 200 cuts on a single charge, thanks to its M12 cordless lithium-ion technology. Its compact design, coupled with a high-performance motor and overload protection electronics, makes it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you want to upgrade your concrete detailing task, make sure to have the Bosch SDS Max bushing tool by your side. It's a must-have for efficient and precise work. Designed to remove excess concrete and create a flawless exterior finish, this 9¼ tool easily fits Bosch SDS Max hammers, as well as competitive SDS Max driver hammers and Hilti hammers with TE-Y and TE-Fy shanks. With its durable one-piece construction and a 16-tooth head, it ensures reliable performance. Compact at 1 3/4 inch square by 9¼ inch, this bushing tool is your solution for accurate and efficient concrete work. Trust Bosch to enhance your craftsmanship effortlessly. Want to change the traditional way of cutting tasks? Meet the Ryobi 40V HP Brushless 20-inch chainsaw. Harnessing the 40V HP technology, this chainsaw delivers more power than a 50cc gas counterpart, ensuring over 100 cuts per charge with its premium full complement chain. The brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology blend seamlessly to provide increased power, extended runtime, faster cutting, and enhanced durability. Featuring a 20-inch bar and chain for cuts up to 36 inches, it excels in felling, bucking, and limbing tasks. With an automatic oiler for chain lubrication, a mechanical chain brake for kickback protection, and tool-free chain tensioning, this chainsaw combines convenience with top-tier performance for controlled, clean cuts. The Makita Dub 18718 Volt LXT blower stands as a versatile and efficient outdoor tool, equipped with a powerful brushless motor that not only enhances battery runtime, but also ensures a long service life. This cordless blower boasts a thoughtful design, featuring cruise control with a variable speed trigger for precise control. Its dual functionality as a blower and vacuum adds to its practicality, offering users the flexibility needed for different outdoor tasks. The incorporation of shredder blades for mulching further enhances its utility. Whether you're tidying up leaves or maintaining outdoor spaces, Makita's DUB 187 provides a seamless and powerful solution for a range of landscaping needs. The Craftsman 2-in-1 laser-level stud sensor is a versatile tool designed for precision and convenience in various construction and DIY projects. This gadget combines two essential functions: a laser level and a stud sensor, providing users with a reliable solution for accurate measurements and locating studs behind walls. Featuring a 20-foot visibility range, the laser level ensures straight and level lines for tasks like hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning tiles. The auto-leveling feature enhances ease of use, making it suitable for both professionals and enthusiasts. The integrated stud sensor is a handy addition, allowing users to identify the exact location of studs in walls. This is crucial for safely mounting heavy objects or fixtures. This tool stands out as a reliable and practical choice for those seeking a multifunctional tool to streamline their projects. The Ridgid Power Spin Plus with Auto Feed is a versatile and efficient drain cleaner designed for hassle-free operation. The Power Spin Plus features auto feed, streamlining the drain cleaning process by automatically advancing and retrieving the cable with the push of a lever. This drain cleaner offers flexibility with its hybrid design, allowing manual or cordless drill operation for convenience in various situations. It's suitable for tackling clogs in drains effectively. The PowerSpin Plus is ideal for both homeowners and professionals, providing a reliable solution for clearing clogs in sinks, tubs, and showers. With user-friendly features and reliable performance, this tool is a valuable addition to any plumbing toolkit. The Bosch D-Tect 200C. Professional Wool Scanner is a state-of-the-art tool designed for precise detection in construction and renovation projects. The D-Tect 200C utilizes radar technology for advanced detection of objects hidden behind walls, including metal, wood, plastic pipes, and electrical wiring. This wool scanner offers flexibility with both corded and cordless operation, providing convenience on the job site. Equipped with an easy-to-use interface, the tool ensures user-friendly operation, making it accessible for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The scanner provides visual and audible alerts, enhancing accuracy during detection and minimizing errors. With the ability to penetrate materials up to a depth of 200 millimeters, the D-Tect 200C is suitable for a wide range of applications, from basic DIY tasks to complex construction projects. The Ridgid round-head framing nailer is a robust pneumatic tool designed for professional framing applications. This nailer boasts impressive speed, making it the fastest in its class at 8 nails per second. This efficiency is a significant advantage for productivity on the job site. The nailer features a magnesium metal housing, providing durability while keeping the tool relatively lightweight. This combination of strength and reduced weight enhances user comfort during extended use. The round head design of the framing nailer accommodates a variety of framing tasks, making it versatile for different construction projects. This is the Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measuring Tool, a compact powerhouse that redefines accuracy. With a range of up to 165 feet and a precision of 1/16 inch, this laser measurer ensures professional-grade confidence. Boasting one-button operation and a pocket-friendly design, the GLM 165-40 is easy to use and features a backlit color display for clear readings even in low light. Offering real-time measurements and 10 memory storage, it functions like a tape measure, but with added convenience. The auto square function effortlessly calculates square footage, and its durability, rated at IP54, ensures reliability in challenging job site conditions. Trust Bosch for accurate, efficient, and durable measurements. 15th Grizzly T30325 pipe clamp. Next on the list is Grizzly's all-new T30325 pipe clamp. These bare grip A-frame clamps give you versatility and stability with their professional craftsmanship. Each of the clamps is made of high tensile cast iron and has rubber-type soft pads so that you'll get a secured grip and no marring on the materials. In terms of versatility, these clamps fit on any standard 3/4 inch metal piping. So no matter how large or small pipes you're dealing with, you can customize these clamps as per your requirements. And the A-frame of these clamps gives rock-solid stability to your project. So, that was the list of the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.